I was full term with my first child, Oliver Maxwell, and I was excited, gonna be a mom in a few weeks. And I was getting close to an area that can sometimes be hairy. I glanced in my rearview mirror, and less than a second later, a semi hit me. Initially, I grabbed my stomach. Immediately, my thoughts went to my unborn baby. So I called 911, and I drove myself straight to the hospital. The nursing staff, they were concerned about a low movement with Oliver. He was not moving as he had normally been moving previously. And so they kept me for 24-hour observation. One night, not long after that, I could tell that Oliver was not moving, and I knew I didn't want to believe. And I had an appointment the next morning, and that was a long, horrible night. It can be hard when you have something so personal, and working with a law firm that was so fair and treated me so well. There's not another firm here in Colorado that I would recommend before the Bourassa law firm. Hillary was my lead attorney. She held my hand through a lot of things, and I needed that. I didn't know anything in regards to the legal process with this, and she and the whole law firm made things very, very easy for me. They texted me letting me know what was the document I needed to sign, legal-wise, and explained it to me, so I didn't have to go through any more unnecessary details. I never had to file a lawsuit, nothing that even compares to this caliber. And the only way that the insurance company was going to take this case seriously was by some serious guns being brought to the table, and someone who knew the law, knew my story, and was willing to fight for not just me, but for my unborn son. There will never be any closure when it comes to Oliver. But I know now that I can do something for his brother, and I can make his life better. And thanks to Hillary, that was made possible. And Mr. Bourassa.